Who makes the toughest 4-cylinder engine? Mercedes, BMW or Audi? To find out, we're going to have a drag race with a difference, indefinitely. Well, until their engines blow up. Fire in the hole! We're going to time how long each car takes to die. The one that lasts the longest wins. But first, we're going to find out which car manufacturer out of these three makes the strongest body panels. Before we do that though, a quick 30 seconds of backstory on these cars. I bought all of them in not great condition for £1,000 each because I wanted to know if you really need an expensive SUV if you want to go off-road. And it turns out they weren't too bad at off-roading at all, but it wasn't exactly great for their overall condition. And after a series of tough off-road challenges, these cars were no longer roadworthy. And that wasn't helped by the fact I decided to push them down a steep hill right at the end of the video.
Oh my God, I'm gonna jump! I'm gonna jump!
And that brings us on to today, and why their unfortunate demise is inevitable. None of these cars will be economical to put back on the road. So enter Tommy the Tank. He works on our social media team creating content and happens to be quite strong. So I thought he'd be perfect for the job. Right, Tommy, there are some rules. So you're not allowed to touch any glass, you're not allowed to damage the engine because we need that for the race, but any body panel is fair game. You've got a minute on each car, starting now. That's it. Time up. Tommy made quick work of the Mercedes panels, so I'd be interested to see how he got on with the other cars. When new, all of these vehicles were well engineered and expensive. All of them cost around £20,000 when new, so it's safe to say none of the manufacturers used cheap materials or production methods when they were built. Also, they came with a Euro NCAP safety rating of 4 stars, so their structures should be pretty rugged. Anyhow, Tommy made his way around each car using a variety of axe, crowbar and his big angry fist, and managed to do a substantial amount of damage to all 3 cars. But which one stood up best to his onslaught? Whoa, 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 stop, 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 that's time up, that's time up, time up. Right, come down, Tommy, you absolute animal. Oh, don't land on my feet, break my foot. So in order, oh, you're absolutely knackered, aren't you?
Yeah.
In order of weakest first, which was the easiest to damage.
With the Audi.
The Audi, okay, then next weakest.
BMW.
And the strongest?
Mercedes.
Big difference?
Oh yeah, couldn't even get the wing mirror off the Merc on the last one.
The Mercedes wins the strength test. Now though, we're going to find out which one has the strongest engine. We strapped these cars to a 44-ton truck. Huge thanks to Mark at IRST for lending us this big beast. But right from the get-go, there was a problem. The Audi, unfortunately, had broken a starter motor. It was probably something to do with this moment. So we needed to bump start it to get it running. A bit of brute force later, we could tie it up to the 44-ton truck and start the mayhem. But before we do that, here's the rules. You must keep the throttle at 100%. You must be in gear unless your engine starts to die, and then you can pop it into neutral. Last car running wins. If your car sets on fire though, you're out. I have to say, this is a bit of a weird one, and it's going to be interesting to see what happens. Sam.
What do you think's going to happen here?
I think I'm in a Mercedes, so that speaks volumes. You're screwed.
That's for definite.
I think the Merc's going to be stronger.
In terms of the strength of the body panels, yeah, Mercedes won. Audi actually came last. It had the weakest body panels according to Tommy. Though this didn't fare much better. So Nick, front wheel drive, will that be an advantage to you, do you think?
Oh, I certainly hope so, although I'm a bit worried having the weight of the engine over the wheels doing all well, trying to pull the weight of the car can't be good. But my second biggest concern is headroom, because there's none left in this car now.
I know how you're feeling, so it's going to be a bit tricky when we get our helmets on. But let's get our helmets on and get this race underway. Now, before we do, if you'd like to change your car, you can do it all through Carwow. It's dead easy. So you can sell your current car through Carwow and then buy your next car. And you can compare different offers on new cars. You can see all the latest used cars. And you can also lease your car through CarWow. It's dead simple. To do that now, just click on the pop-out banner up there, scan the QR code on screen now. Alternatively, at a later date, just simply Google "Help Me CarWow." My team and I will help you choose the right car and help you sell your current car as well. Oh, and there's even a special little chatbot, a Matt Watson chatbot, to give you advice on which is the right car for you. So just head to CarWow now and have a play with the chatbot. Now though, we're going to race. Oh, the irony. Come on, BMW! That Audi, what's it doing?
Yeah, there we go.
These air quality concerns, Eyewitness News is digging deeper into how to keep you and your family safe.
I can't see anything.
Oh, that's one tyre gone.
I can't see anything.
I might turn the air conditioning on, I think. Recirc, yeah, that's good. Oh, that's a tyre!
There was a bang then. Can't tell what's going on. It's over a minute.
Temps are good.
There's a lot of smoke coming into this cabin.
Yeah, my vents are working quite well. So yeah, I'm okay in here.
Blimey, this is getting louder now.
Oh.
Something just broke.
Oh, hello.
Oh,
Oh, Matt's tyres have gone.
Man down!
I think I've got a puncture.
There's rubber flying everywhere.
the car is shaking a lot. This feels horrible.
I think you've got a puncture as well, Matt.
My knob is shaking. Crikey, there is rubber flying off that Mercedes.
I think we should all take our cars out of gear.
Hey, the car out of gear!
Oh, there's a...
I'm just picking off the limiter now. The Audi is on fire.
I have a DM5, the Audi.
All right, kill the engines, guys, kill the engines.
That's, yeah. Thank you, Lee.
Out the car! Matt, out the car, please.
Ooh, fire. Please don't burn me or my possessions. I'm so important and flammable.
Is this a test?
No, not a test.
Come on, Mark. I'll get your elbows in. It's all gone backdraft.
Hey, I win!
My car was fine. I was just told to get out of it. Can't we just put a brick on the accelerator now?
The only problem is that we can't stop it.
Now you're out. Your car was on fire. That means you're out. Stop cheating. Oh, it tells me I should stop the engine. I've got a temperature warning. Normally you can get back to the garage with a temp warning, can't you?
Did you keep your wheel spinning for ages?
They were still spinning when it was on fire.
Okay. Will your car go in gear?
In gear and rev it up again.
9 minutes. You can take it into neutral if you need to, if it's dying.
I'm watching it, don't you worry, I'm on top of this. I've got the helm number 2.
It doesn't look like you're on top of it at all. It looks like you're on fire.
All right, we're losing revs. The dash would really like me to switch the engine off.
I can't believe, why did we go on fire and the Mercedes hasn't?
It would like me to check water level.
I don't think you've got much left.
And the airbag requires a service, so I need to visit the workshop as soon as possible.
I think you should take it to your nearest Mercedes dealer as is and go, can I just have an oil and filter change, please?
Put it back in gear, Sam.
If I had known the strength of this car, you'd never service it ever, would you? Oh! Oh, check oil.
I would imagine it's very, very dark in colour. I'm getting cold.
Go and stand next to the Audi, that's probably still on fire.
Hang on.
Wait a minute, I thought we weren't allowed to get out the cars with the accelerator on.
Well, you're all having fun. I'm sat here like a lemon.
But my BMW still runs. Go start the BMW and you'll see. Oh, 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 oh. That doesn't look good. And don't put your visor up. You put it down. I think it's the end of the Mercedes. How's that still going? That's all the coolant, isn't it now?
It's got to be. But I'm surprised there's any left.
Oh, oh,
This has got to be it.
Hide behind Nick.
I'm going to put my helmet back on now.
Listen to it. What an amazing piece of engineering.
Doesn't want to die.
It's not even going on fire like ours did. Oh, 14:37. Mine's still going! Get the BMW going.
1609.
What went on fire on my car?
Yeah, what was on fire?
I thought in the middle.
Something in the middle. That's a mechanic talking.
Those monoblocks are fine.
I know.
They are. Does anyone want to buy some monoblock alloy wheels from Mercedes? They are going to be available online. Look at all that's fallen out of the Audi from our off-roading.
There's a bit of engine block here.
Let's have a look.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, on the subframe.
But it wasn't just any piece of the engine, it was a connecting rod that had split in half and exploded through the side of the block. So the C-Class didn't catch fire, but it still went out with a bang. But what happened to the BMW? We've got no oil in the BMW anymore. Has that just been burnt up?
Yeah, it's melted. Something's melted as well.
Shall we try and start that Audi?
I bet you we can bump start it.
I will bump it. Try now.
Yes! It runs!
It doesn't sound very healthy. Now give it 4 beats in neutral.
It lives! I should probably put my helmet back on.
27.42, we start this out again. Oh!
Oh!
It's dying.
Jesus! I might run out of fuel before this is over. Need something heavy, my leg's getting a bit tired. Here we go.
Oh, more. No, it's all right.
Oh no! 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 Oh no!
Oh, fire. Fire in the hole. I think it's just stopped. Oh, we're on fire. Come on.
I got an oil warning
What did you
light.
do?
I got an oil warning light
Right.
an 1/8 of a second before it caught fire.
Wow.
That's the only warning to do with the oil that's come up all day.
My Merc was very upset.
Still smouldering, isn't it?
Well, that's consumer advice, isn't it?
What one?
I did.
The Mercedes definitely won.
0 fires.
I think the BMW was running the whole time, but it wasn't redlining.
No. Yeah, although I think this caught fire first, though, didn't it?
It caught fire first, so technically the Mercedes won without a shadow of a doubt. Yes. Based on our rules, this was out first, but I think that engine was stronger than that one.
Yeah, so do I.
I guess people can just argue it.
Yeah. I do know if I buy an old second-hand Mercedes, I will never service it, ever.
There's no point. There's no point
No
at all.
point at all.
No. And that is that.